Good morning students, welcome my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Today we discussing about some problems related to integration. Let us come and start the topic. Type, write down type. Integration of sine to the power na x dx. For n is natural number, where n is the natural number, okay, and n is odd natural number, n is odd natural number, then always put cos x is equal to t. Remember, this is the technique. You have to remember. This is the technique. Integration of sine n to the power x, where n is odd natural number. In this case, always put cos x is equal to t. Okay? So, let us take one example. Integration of sine qx dx. Here 3 is odd. So you have to break sine qx as sine square x into sine x dx. You have to break in this manner. Always even into 1 sin x will be remain there. Then you have to break sin square x. Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So write down 1 minus cos square x into sin x dx. So here we have to put cos x is equal to t. Cos x is equal to t always. So let cos x is equal to t. Once you take means you have to differentiating on both sides with respect to x. So we get dt dx, d dx of cos x. So you know that derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. So that is minus x. Here dx is divided, so multiplied there. So dt is equal to minus sin x dx. So minus dt is equal to sin x into dx. Understand? Minus dt is equal to sin x dx. Now this will be changed. In place of sin x dx, we have to put minus dt. In place of cos x, we have to put t. So this will becomes 1 minus t square into minus dt. So when minus is multiplied, so we get, here it is integration of t square, then minus 1 dt. So integration of difference is equal to difference of their integration. So that we get integration of t square dt minus dt. So here integration of t square dt, that is pq by 3 minus dt integration t plus c. Okay, now in place of t we have to put cos x. So we get cos qx divided by 3 minus cos x plus c. This is the answer. Okay, so integration of sine to the power nx dx, where n is all natural number, then always put cos x is equal to t. In this manner, you can solve the problems like sin to the power 5x dx, sin to the power 7x dx in this manner. Okay? So write down the homework. HW. Integration of sin to the power 7x dx. You have to do it. Integration of sin to the power 5x dx. You have to do. If you face difficulties, then you have to told me. I will work out that problems. Okay? So next time, write down another type. Type number 2. Write down type number 2. Type number 2. Integration type 2. Integration of cos to the power nx dx. Cos to the power nx dx. Where n is odd natural number. Then always put sin x is equal to 2. Sin x is equal to t. Okay? This is the formula you have to remember. Integration of cos to the power nx dx, where n is odd natural number. Always put sin x is equal to t. In this case, always put sin x is equal to t. So one example. Write down one example. Cos to the power 5x dx. How can you integrate this type of problems? Okay? So you have to break cos to the power 5x as cos to the power 4th x into cos x. So write down integration of cos to the power 4th x into cos x dx. Okay, so now we have to take here cos square x whole square into cos x dx. So we know that cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. So you have to put in place of cos square x, you have to write down 1 minus sin square x. Okay? So write down integration of 1 minus sin square x whole square into cos x dx. Then we have to put sin x is equal to t. Write down sin x is equal to t. Once you put means you have to differentiating on both sides with respect to x. So we get dt dx is equal to d dx of sin x. We know that derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. So dx is divided here, we go there, multiply. So dt is equal to cos x into dx. Okay? This is the hints you have to remember. Then it will be changed. In place of cos x dx, we have to write dt. In place of sin square x, we have to write t. So the integral becomes 1 minus t square whole square into dt. Then you think it is a, it is b. A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab dt. Okay? Now individual integration, we get integration of dt plus integration of t to the power 4th dt minus 2t square dt. Okay? Now integration of dt is equal to t. Integration of t to the power 4th is equal to t to the power 5 by 5. Here minus 2 is the constant that will be coming outside. So integration of t square dt, that is tq by 3 plus c. Now in place of t we have to put sin x. So we get sin x plus sin to the power 5x by 5 minus 2 by 3 sin qx plus c. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the answer. Write down one homework. You have to work out integration of cos qx dx, integration of cos to the power 7x dx. Okay, these are the two questions I will be given to you to work out your homes. If you face any difficulties, then you have to told me. I work out that problems particularly. Okay, next write down another type. Another type. When sin to the power n x dx, n is even natural number. Then in this case we have to rationalize sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2 and cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Okay, this is one type. When integration of sin to the power n x dx, n is even natural number. Remember, n is even natural number, then always rationalize sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2, and in place of cos square x you have to put 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Okay, this is also applicable. Integration of cos to the power nx dx, n is even. This two type will combine as procedure are same. Okay, integration of sin to the power nx dx, n is even natural number, cos to the power nx dx, where n is also even natural number. Both two cases you have to apply the same. Rationalize sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2 and cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. One example. Write down one example. Integration of sin square x dx. How can you do it? So here n is even. N is even. So you have to rationalize this sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole into dx. Okay, so 1 by 2 is the constant that will coming outside of the integration. We get integration of dx minus integration of cos 2x dx. We know that integration of cos ax plus b dx, the result will be 1 by a sin ax plus b plus c. The coefficient of x is divided here. You know, this is the formula I have already discussed. So here you see the coefficient of x is 2. So that will be divided there. So now you have to write 1 by 2 integration of dx समान x, integration of cos 2x dx 1 by 2 sin 2x plus c. So here this 1 by 2 multiplied with these two quantities, we get x by 2 minus 1 by 4 sine 2x plus c. Okay, this is the answer when n is even. Let us take another example. Write down integration of cos to the power 4th x dx. Here n is 4 which is even. N is 4 which is even. So you have to break this as question cos square x whole square into dx. So now we have to put in place of cos square x as this. Cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Put there. So write down. So we get integration of 1 plus cos 2x by 2 whole square into dx. Okay, so 1 by 2 square, that is 1 by 4. That will be coming outside of the integration. Then a plus b whole square, a square, b square plus 2ab integration whole into dx. Okay, now you see here cos square x. When it is x, then it is 2x. When it is 2x, then it will become 4x. So in place of cos square 2x, we have to write down 1 by 4 integration of 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Because here it is x, it is 2x. When it is 2x, then it will becomes 4x. So here 2 cos 2x whole into dx. Now you have to take the LCM. So 2 will multiply here and 2 is also multiplied there. So we get 1 by 8. 1 by 8 integration of 2 plus 1 plus cos 4x plus 4 cos 2x whole into dx. Okay, now 2 plus 1, that will be 3. So write down 1 by 8 integration of 3 dx, individual integration 3 dx plus integration of cos 4x dx plus integration of 4 cos 2x dx. Okay, now 3 the constant, that will be coming outside of the integration. So we get 1 by 8, that is 3x. So here the coefficient of x is 4, so that will be divided. So what is the formula for integration of cos 4x? 1 by 4 sin 4x. Here 4 is the constant, that will be coming outside of the integration. So we get 4 integration of cos 2x is equal to sin 2x by 2 plus c. Okay, so this 2 will cancel with this 2. So the result will be 1 by 8 will multiply to each term 3 by 8 x, then 8 is multiplied by 4, that is 1 by 32 sin 4x. Then here it is 2, here it is 1 by 8. So when this quantity will be 2 divided by 8, 1 by 4 sin 2x plus c. Okay, so this is the answer of this question, very important question. Integration of cos to the power 4th x dx. Here n is even. When n is even, then always rationalize cos square x as 1 plus cos 2x by 2 and sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Okay, so this is the today's class. Thank you to all my dear students. Please subscribe my channels share my channels and like my channels. Thank you to all. Thank you.